cooking oil, garlic and onion, hot dogs, ground pork, spaghetti sauce, spaghetti pasta, cheese. First thing to do, heat the oil. When the oil is already heated, add the garlic. Then add the onions. Saute the garlic and onions until cooked. You can now add the hot dogs. Saute until the hot dogs are cooked. This time, add the ground pork. Saute until the ground pork is cooked. It is time now to add the spaghetti sauce. Just like the hot dogs and ground pork, saute until the sauce is ready. Boil the water prepared. When the water is already boiling, you can now add the spaghetti pasta. Put a little amount of oil so that the pasta won't be sticky. Put a pinch of salt. Close the container and boil the pasta for at least 10 minutes. When the pasta is ready, strain it with a strainer. You can now add the sauce to the cooked pasta. Now, grate the cheese prepared. Then add it to the spaghetti so it can be tastier. Voila! You now have your own spaghetti.